What is up everybody, this is your boy srxgscollabs and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a ton of stuff that I recently picked up. We got a bunch of fashion pieces and we even got some room decor and tech items. There's definitely a lot of stuff to cover and a lot of pieces to go through. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. I've been really into crop trousers lately, so when I saw these on sale at Zara, I knew I had to cop. Just really love the navy colorway mixed with the stripe detailing. I got this sweater as a Christmas gift. You can never go wrong with an essential black sweater, just a classic piece that pairs well with pretty much everything. While I was in Hawaii, I stumbled upon this gem at my local Forever 21. Definitely a little out there, but nonetheless, I'm all about trying new things and incorporating different patterns into my everyday fits. As a late Christmas gift to myself, I decided to somewhat splurge and finally caught myself a CDG wallet. I've been wanting one for a while, so I'm glad I finally decided to bite the bullet. A little pricey, but in my opinion, 100% worth it. On the same trip to Forever 21, I also found this flannel. Just really dig in the 3/4 zip. You can dress it up or down and style it in a number of ways. I haven't always been a fan of Nike Flyknits, but I saw these on sale, tried them on, and I was convinced. Love how they bring a sporty touch to any fit, not to mention they're extremely comfy. I'm currently in the process of revamping my room, so I'm adding a few items here and there, including this plant from IKEA, as well as these books. Do me a favor and comment down below if you guys would be down for an updated room tour. As some of you guys know, I just started doing YouTube full time and my old computer wasn't really holding up the way I needed it to. So as a Christmas gift, my dad decided to flex me some money to purchase a new MacBook. I honestly couldn't be more thankful. It makes editing / what I do so much easier. Not to mention it's a beautiful color. And this leather case from eBay is a perfect accessory. And that does it for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up, comment something down below, and subscribe for more content like this. And until next time, peace.